Here's the question I got asked. Actually, it was asked this way. Is LinkedIn the ultimate network for posers, fakes, scammers, crooks, fakes, inflated LinkedIn profiles, etc., etc.? I'm kind of thinking that LinkedIn is not the ultimate space for all of that. However, the truth is, you can attract that pretty easily on LinkedIn if you allow it. Now, I don't allow it. I'm very deliberate about who I connect with and who I follow, because the people I connect with can open doors to other people, and the people I follow can disturb me with irrelevant, fake, scammy content. I don't have time for that. But again, you have the ability to manage that. You really do. If you're looking at your LinkedIn newsfeed and you're getting content over and over again that you're like, I don't want this. This is a fake. This guy is exaggerating. This person's a scammer. Then just hit the 3 dots and unfollow that person, or mark I don't want to see this, or report the post. Furthermore, when you're networking on LinkedIn, you have the ability to make decisions and to vet the people that you're connecting with before you hit the accept button. It's really pretty easy. Go to my buddy Kevin Turner, and look at his profile, and a couple things that I have the ability to use right here pretty easily to see if he's a fake or not. Number one, I would go to more and go to about this profile and see when he created it, and see if he's verified his profile or not. Not everybody has. Additionally, listen, he's using the audio file. Then click on that and listen to what he says right here, and listen to his voice. And see, does his voice match the image and match the style he's presenting here or not? Another way to validate if they're real or not is look at their profile. Does he have content? Does he have activity? Not just, a post in the last month, but does he have comments? Does he reply to content? Does he have video, images, documents? This is really telling. If you're looking at a profile that's listed as a 2015-16 profile and there's no activity, that pretty much tells me that that person is either not using LinkedIn at all, or their profile has been hijacked, and often it's been hijacked. And then look at the words that they use when they send you a LinkedIn invite. Does the LinkedIn invite show that they cared enough to look at your profile and message you in a deliberate way, relevant to who you are, what you do? The ones who say that I like the field that you are in, that's clearly a fake. That's about as fake as you can get. By the way, the fact I've been talking about this, I promise you that these fakes, they're going to start getting coached to use different words. Read the words they use. Does it sound like a real human or sound like a bot? Look at their analytics. Are they getting engagement? And then the last big thing that you can do that's really pretty easy is to determine if they're a fake, a scammer, nefarious activity, whatever, is when you get an invite, don't hit the accept or ignore button from here. Go to see all. Because when you click on see all, I now have the ability to send this person a message back. I have the ability to respond to this person, send a message to this person, and ask them, why do they want to connect? How could I be of assistance to you? And if they respond back in a relevant, meaningful way, then you can make a decision whether or not you want to connect or not. If they don't respond back, or they respond back in some nondescript, I'm just trying to build my network, or your field is impressive to me, hit the ignore button. Better than that, if you think they might be a fake, don't hit the ignore button so quick. hit the report button to report them as a fake, and then hit the block button. And hitting the block button will basically hit ignore at the same time. Look, don't ask if LinkedIn is, you know, the ultimate space for fakes and posers and scammers. Manage your LinkedIn network a little bit more deliberately, just like you should be managing your in real life network. You're not going to go hang out with fakes and scammers and, you know, people who are fishing for information and trying to rip you off. You're not going to purposely go hang out with those people. Well, be that deliberate on LinkedIn. Be purposeful about who you connect with. And then you won't perceive LinkedIn as the ultimate in the world of scammers and posers and fakes.